Good morning. I've taken a 10-minute walk out of the city centre to arrive at a place called Tivoli, which is like a local park area. It's got botanical gardens, lakes, ponds. It's a beautiful area to walk around, and attached to that is a huge forest area called Roznik Hill, which is where I currently am. I'm about to head back into the city centre. I came out here really to fly the drone, so I was going to fly it over from Castle Hill, but it was a bit too close to the castle. I thought I'd err on the side of caution and fly it out this way. But as I say, I'm going to take a walk around the Tivoli Park now and head back into town. The first stop will be the Red Church, see if I can get inside that. Back at the Red Church. Unfortunately, it's closed at the moment. Can you believe that? A church closed on a Sunday. Thankfully though, there's a sign here saying it's open again at 3 o'clock. So, way up on the hill, the left-hand side of the shot is a castle. That's my next port of call. Just down in that section, they're filming something. They've got trucks and cameras, lighting, smoke, everything's set up. I'm going this way. Well, I'm about halfway up. If I pan round, you can see the old town this side of the river. You can also see where I was this morning. If I zoom in, there's Tivoli Mansion, and I was up there above it on that hill. So I've made it to the top of the castle. Now I'm going to see if I can get inside. So there is evidence that people lived here on Castle Hill dating back 3,200 years, because some of these instruments were found here on the site. The community probably looked something like that. And then over the years it evolved into the modern day castle that I'm visiting today. Just like a lot of castles in Europe, the place fell into considerable disrepair until it was renovated about 50 years ago. They've done a great job of documenting the renovations. The photo on the left is before and the photo on the right is after. Here's a drawing of the castle on top of Castle Hill dating back to 1639. Okay, I'm now going in the castle chapel. This room was responsible for catching as much rainwater as it possibly could through that hole in the ceiling there, and it would basically pour down into this cistern from the 17th century. This wall right here is part of the original foundations from the 12th century. This is the inner courtyard. I think that glass section over there is recently installed. I'm guessing there's a viewing platform up there by the number of people up on the top there. Well, because there's no way of actually getting to the top of the tower anymore, they've put these more modernised circular stairs in so that you can actually get up to the viewing platform without killing yourself. Let's see what we got. So I'm back at the Red Church. Let's see if I can get inside now. This is a good little model of Ljubljana. There's the castle on the hill. The castle side of the river is the old town, and then all of this side of the river is the newer part of the city. Most of it got destroyed in an earthquake back in 1895, I think it was, so it was rebuilt. And there's the castle. Well, as the bells of the local cathedral ring out, it's 6:15, and unfortunately it's time to head back to the hotel and onto the bus station and then to the airport to catch my flight home. What another great trip. This one has been definitely one that I'll remember.
Some say love is a burning thing, that it makes the fire ring. Oh, but I know love as a fading thing, just as fickle as a feather in a stream. See, honey, I saw love, you see, it came to me. It put its face up to my face so I could see. Yeah, then I saw love disfigure me into something I am not recognizing. You see the cage it called. I said, come on in. I will not open myself up this way again. Now lay my face to the soil, nor my teeth to the sand. I will not lay like this for days now upon end. You will not see me fall, nor see me struggle to stand, to be acknowledged by some touch from his gnarled hand. You see the cage it called. I said, come on in. I will not open myself up this way again. You see the moon is bright in that treetop night. I see the shadows that we cast in the cold, clean light. My feet are gold, and my heart is wide, and we race out on the desert plains all night. See, honey, I am not some broken thing. I do not lay